Go, go, go. Black. Go, 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 go. Black. Go, 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 go.
CJ back.
Good luck, up. Good luck. Good luck, bro. Good luck. Good luck, bro. Good luck. Okay, no, go. Time mo yan, go. Go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Yo, Cycling Chef, good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. Dito na ako ngayon sa San Fernando, galing ako na Apalit. Punta tayo ng Clark. Merong Titan ngayon, hardest yata, most awaited duathlon of the year. Makikibalita tayo, makikinood, at endurance ride na rin natin. $25 lang, under pressure. 26 lang. Hey guys, dito na tayo sa Angeles. Nag-bomba lang tayo ng hanging kaunti. Kaya pala ang unang sipain, 25-26 lang yung tire pressure ng gulong ko. Look who's here. Si Jeno tsaka si George nandito, nagra-ride sila papuntang Malasa. Ahon-ahon yung pupuntahan nila, nadaanan ko dun sa Michelle Marisol. Papasok na tayo ng Clark. Si Jeno tsaka si George tumiretso na papuntang Bamban, Tarlac, kasi ahon sila Malasa. Tayo diretso tayo, makikipagkita tayo kay Leonard. Tapos puntahan natin yung event ngayon dito, yung Titan Duathlon. Dito na tayo sa Mimosa Field and Best. Dito ginawa ang start and finish, yung pinaka-event center ng Titan 2024 Duathlon. Yung mga tumatakbo, nandun pa lang sila sa kanilang first run. So if they finish, pupunta sila sa transition para naman sumakay sa kanilang bike para tapusin yung 100 km distance na bike. And then meron pa yung 21 km run sa huli.
Go, go, go. Good luck. Go, 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 go.
Thank you, Tim.
Good luck.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like
go,
you,
go, go.
I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
Good luck, up. Good
Catch
luck.
me if I fall.
Good luck.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black.
Luck.
Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good,
Leonard is here.
like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine.
Wala kami ng access road ng New Clark City para makita naman namin yung ibang mga suwapat dyan.
Heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
going to the bike course, na-realize ko, isa nga talaga ito sa napakahirap na duathlon event. Imagine, you're doing a 4-kilometer run sa umpisa, tapos 100-kilometer bike, and then half marathon, meron pang 21 kilometer dun sa huli. Congratulations talaga dun sa mga nakakatapos ng Titan. Andito tayo ngayon sa NCC Access Road. Andito tayo sa overpass ng Mainang. So ayan yung Mainang. Ito yung ahon ng Mainang na tinatawag. So umahon kami ni Leonard, tapos siya dumiretso siya, abangan niya dun yung mga nasa bike leg na pabalik. So ako dito na ako mag-aabang. Okay, hindi pa nakakabalik yung mga kasali sa Titan. Didiretso na ako pabalik ng Orange Bridge from Mainang. Doon ako maghihintay. Palagi ko mas makakakuha tayo ng mas magandang video dun sa Orange Bridge. Ang event ng Titan meron din namang short distance. If you're not ready for the Titan talaga, ito muna ang pwede. May ikot dito yung mga 25 kilometers. Pabalik na sila dun sa finish line para dun sa last run ng 25 kilometer bike. So sprint distance tong mga umiikot dito. Dito, abangan natin dito magagaling yung 100.
I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Go, Jeno, go! Kaya mo yan, go! Go, go! Go, go, go!
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Go, go, go!
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. A sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my...
Sa Clark din nakita-kita. Breakfast na. Another successful race, successful event from Go Clark. Shout out to Titans Philippines. Shout out to all organizers. Shout out to all podium finishers. Shout out sa lahat ng mga sumali, especially to Team Factor Philippines. Congratulations to all of my teammates at sa lahat ng mga nag-podium at sumali sa event na ito.